Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable iCloud Keychain in Chrome on Windows, full guide step by step clearly. To enable iCloud Keychain in Chrome on Windows, start by downloading and installing iCloud for Windows from the Apple website. Once the installation is complete, open the iCloud application from your Start menu. Sign in with your Apple ID to access your iCloud settings. In the iCloud interface, you will see several options. Check the box next to Passwords to enable iCloud Keychain. After that, click the Apply button to save your changes. Now, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. In the Chrome browser, go to the Settings menu by clicking the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Scroll down and click on Autofill in the left sidebar. Next, click on Passwords to open the Password Management section. Look for a section labeled Saved Passwords and make sure that passwords are saving correctly. If you haven't done this yet, you may need to install the iCloud Passwords extension for Chrome. To install the extension, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for iCloud Passwords. Select the iCloud Passwords extension from the search results. Click the Add to Chrome button and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, you will see an iCloud icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Click on that icon to sign in with your Apple ID, if prompted. After signing in, your iCloud Keychain password should sync with Chrome automatically. To manage your passwords, return to the iCloud extension by clicking the icon again. You can now view, add, or delete passwords as needed. That's it. You have successfully enabled iCloud Keychain in Chrome on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.